ugly. Oh my god. I'm not professional chef. I'm never be a chef.
I should take care of this
Yes,
because that will
please.
start burning soon.
Yeah, please.
What is this?
我想看看这个做的。
Vive, not olive, normal.
Vive.
아있다.
Okay. Oh, that's a better one. That's definitely a better one. Blueberry ones are better.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright. Wait, don't eat. Help.
Put some more sugar in.
Sugar.
How do I?
I'll do it.
What do I do with the pan?
No, just eat it later. When we have a whole plate, you can just start to. I'm gonna put some sugar on top and you sprinkle all of them. Those things as well. Later.
Will this like dry up or anything?
Yeah, but watch out your hand, it's so hot.
Yes, that kebab.
Master chef.
You done?
saite aru jah, et nad õppisid ka tükeldama ja koguseid arvutama ja et oli nagu if I understood, it's always very practical, noh. You learn about practical work, yes?
Yes,
Okay.
they actually gave us a lot of advice how to do this, how to do faster. Yes, faster.
It's like a
Movement.
And as you can see, the materials are really simple. Blueberries, pickles, chicken, and pepper. So maybe you can introduce how you cook it. Yeah.
We just made it to like small pieces, like like chicken and pepper. Yeah. So we fried it on the pan, on a high heat. We seasoned it with soy sauce, chili, and salt. So yeah, and we cut pickles and we cut blueberry of course, and made this.
Do you have some peppers and the chicken left?
Yeah.
So we did this.
Like the Estonia 100.
Yeah, it's for Estonia 109. It's 100. Yeah, so it's just.
It looks like 80.
Very nice. And
Everyone.
really long.
So first, start with cutting the onion and yes. spicy. And combine all ingredients with one cup, big cup, and mix them and knead and roll into meatballs, and then we fry it on the pan. That's all.
What's the difference between Estonian meatball and Turkish? What is the difference?
It's different. I think spices. I never tried Estonian meatball, but yeah.
But
Spices,
are those
yeah.
typical meatballs from Turkey?
Yeah,
or-
that's typical meatball.
Very typical, yes?
Yeah, it's famous from Turkey.
Okay. So,
Yes. So originally we need 2 bags of spinach, 2 eggs, meat. You can use meat, fish, or mushrooms, anything that you decide to blend with it. Then 2 tins of tomato plums, 2 large onions, ginger, garlic, 1 egg, and 1 large chili. Because I didn't get the hot chili, I got the pepper one, the pepper one, and oil, salt, and stock cubes, broth. So these are the ingredients you need for it. So we went through the process as usual. So this was the result. And I was working with Indra and
Like this.
yeah, he's an absentee and another guy too. So very cooperative and they help me make the work easier. So,
There is the hummus at the top and some poppy seeds and yeah, some decoration parsley. So we're gonna try. Is hummus familiar for you? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. So we're not gonna talk too much about it.
And we made a nazik kebab. It's one of the millions of kebab in Turkey. We baked eggplants like 30-40 minutes to shrink, and we smashed them in very tiny pieces and mixed with Turkish yogurt and smashed garlic. And at the top we just prepared the meat with garlic and tomato sauce. Normally in Turkey, as I said, we are making it with a special part of a lamb or sheep, but
was it first time?
Yes.
Okay. Now you know how to make. Okay. Was your cooperation was good?
I think so.
Good.
Yes.
Very nice. Then, thank you very much. And now what we are doing? Maybe this.